The Keffiyeh, a simple square of cloth, yet it holds within its folds the story of a people. Bold lines represent ancient trade routes, while olive leaves symbolize strength, resilience, and cultural significance. The fishnet design reflects Palestinian fishermen's bond with the sea. In Palestine, it is more than just a headscarf. It is a symbol of heritage, resilience, and identity. The Keffiyeh transcends age, gender, and social status. It unites Palestinians under a shared cultural identity. It is a powerful reminder of their connection to the land. The Keffiyeh's roots run deep in Palestinian history. Some believe it dates back to ancient Mesopotamia. Others link it to the Bedouin tribes who roamed the Levant. Regardless of its precise origin, the Keffiyeh has been worn by Palestinian farmers and villagers for centuries. Traditionally, the Keffiyeh provided protection from the harsh desert sun. It also shielded against the cold winds. Over time, it evolved into a symbol of Palestinian national identity. The traditional Keffiyeh is a testament to Palestinian craftsmanship. It is woven on hand looms, often by women in villages across Palestine. The most iconic Keffiyeh pattern is the black and white checkered design. Known as the Keffiyeh, it gained prominence in the 1960s. In the face of adversity, the Keffiyeh has become an emblem of Palestinian resilience. It represents their struggle for freedom and self-determination. When worn in protest or solidarity, it carries a powerful message of unity. It has become a global symbol of solidarity with the Palestinian people. It serves as a reminder of their ongoing fight for justice and recognition. Beyond its political significance, the Keffiyeh remains an integral part of everyday life in Palestine. It is a common sight in homes, streets, and marketplaces. From farmers tending their land to artists showcasing their work, the Keffiyeh is a symbol of pride and identity. It connects Palestinians to their past, present, and future.